morning, boys and girls. This is for Monday, February 17th. I hope you guys are having, you guys had a great weekend. I'm excited to hear about what you guys did throughout the week. But here is your new home document. It is shared on PowerSchool. So if you log into PowerSchool, I'm continuing to post every morning or whenever things I just don't want to overwhelm you with information. So it'll try and be up by 8 o'clock every morning. You can just click on this link and it'll lead you right here. This week, we're starting with the day 3. So here is your normal schedule that you guys have. We're continuing with Bible. As you guys are adding to your note taker, you just continue adding to the note taker that you already have. If you're behind, just catch up. It shouldn't take you the full hour, but I've given you a full hour of prep. You do have music today as it is a day 3. Make sure you guys are doing your devotional here. You guys, for some of you guys who may not know what to do with the devotional, I always have a journal at home that I use to just jot down my prayers, my thoughts, the verse, what it means to me, and just processing through that. If you'd like me to show you guys what I do, I can videotape that for tomorrow. Give me feedback. Make sure you guys take a break today. I hope you guys are staying active and logging your physical PE logs. You guys also have a new art assignment today. Miss Cam has nicely put that onto Seesaw as an activity. I've already seen 4 people finish it, so that's awesome. Also, if you didn't finish last week's assignment, please go ahead and finish that. For math, we're going to just continue with Khan Academy. We're going to be doing a little review on perimeter, so go ahead and do that. Log in, access this code just like you have been doing. Usually on day 3s we have reading buddies, and I just thought it'd be a nice change to have you guys post a video of you guys reading to your sibling or your parent or your auntie or even a friend. You don't have to videotape the entire book that you're reading to your friend or your sibling, but just a snippet. I want to kind of catch your fluency, your expression, vocabulary, making sure you're not picking a book that's too difficult or too easy for you. And I have a place for that on Seesaw to post. And also today we're going to do another read aloud, and Annabelle will be reading for us today. So make sure you join our meet here at 2:30. And if you have not signed up yet because you missed the sign up, go ahead and click here and pick which day you'd like to do and comment on it, or just go ahead and email Miss Yang and say, Miss Yang, I'd like to do next Thursday. And I'll make sure to put you on there. Okay, have a great day of learning, boys and girls, and feel free to email me with any questions. Bye.